Hello my beautiful friends and welcome on board. We are on board of Norwegian's one of the newest ships, which has been on board just since August of 2022, and today is November 4th, so it's been on the water for only 2 months, so completely brand new ship, and we are on board of Prima. Welcome home for the next 11 days.
Держи.
Ага.
Красиво, смотри, как тут.
У меня получилось дети.
Давай, Злата.
Ты захотел?
Заходим.
Красиво, красиво.
Ничего себе, такая у них фотобой.
Да, помнишь, нас балкон подала с балкона.
Ага.
Ну, тоже ничего.
A little tired, but happy. Рома, это твоя кроватка будет. Такая modern furniture, да, у них здесь уже?
Ага.
What are you most excited about the cruise?
Вот.
Food? No,
Ну,
I'm
страшно?
serious.
Не знаю. Так, смотри, что у нас тут. А excursion tickets здесь.
Ага.
А это казино.
So fancy. I tried to get the best spot to film this intro video, and today is the day number 5 of our cruise adventure, and altogether it's going to be 11 days. And if you want to be quiet for a minute, you can hear the waves which are crashing on our board and enjoy this magnificent view of the ocean. And to be precise, we are in the Gulf of Mexico right now. Heading toward Aruba. I have never been there, so I don't know what to expect, and super excited. Our second time on a cruise for the whole life, and what makes me even more exciting is that we are going to be using different cruise lines. So the first time we've been cruising with the Royal Caribbean. Again, it was a brand new ship. It's called Odyssey of the Sea. Super cool experience. So for this time, we also wanted to choose a brand new ship so we can compare those and decide which fits better our needs. I didn't want to film this intro video on the first or second day of the cruise, so I can have extra time to explore, so I will have some suggestions, and I can just share my experience with you guys. So what I liked so far, since we have a 4 years old, of course, one of the priorities for us as friends was to make sure that they have a kids room, and also that they have some kind of activities for his age. So the kids room is fantastic. Roman absolutely loves everything they do in the kid room. He's actually, even when he's not there, he's still asking every 30 minutes, an hour, can he go and play in a daycare room? So he really loves the personnel. Actually, the people who work in a kids room, they seem like the happiest people on the ship. I don't know if it's because they're staying around the kids, or they've been choosing to work there because they look really happy people. Because last time when we've been on the ship, there was one girl, she looked really strict. I don't know if she told Roman, our son, something, but he just refused to go to the daycare for the rest of the cruise. So he's been there twice for a couple of hours, and then he just no, I'm not going there. So we really didn't have our personal time, our like romantic time at that time. So this time is completely different and we just enjoying our self time as well. But the difference is with the Caribbean Odyssey cruise, they also had an option when you can leave the smaller kids, I think from a year old or something, you can leave them there for an extra charge. So on this ship, you can only leave your child in a room without parents' attendance if he's 3 years old and plus he's fully potty trained. So he can go and use the restroom for himself without any assistance. So those are the two main requirements if you want to leave your child in a daycare room. But of course, if your child is younger, you can also attend all the games and all the activities that they have to offer in a kids room, but you will need to stay with your child over there. The other cool thing about this ship is that if you are into gaming and all this virtual reality games, you will definitely love this cruise because they have all kind of equipment, the coolest know-how, the coolest games in one of the rooms upstairs. We did try some of them, but not all of them. And also the cool thing, if you like the escape rooms, they have 2 rooms over here where you can play and test your creativity. Make the noise! You look scared.
Я не хочу туда.
Just as much as you can.
Five, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, and heel, and turn, 2. Hop to the right and step, hop to the left and step. Kickball change, and slide. To the right, 2, to the left.
As far as dining, there is so many options to choose from. Even when you go to a buffet, they have all kind of things over there. First, dinner. No, I mean it's lunch. You know, when you get to a fancy restaurant, the portion is getting smaller and smaller. The fancier the restaurant is. We had a special package where we could choose from the specialty restaurants, and they have, I believe, 6 or 7 specialty restaurants on the ship. One is a French oriented, another one is Italian. They also have hibachi.
Mogli što ti imaš te strane za se najde.
He's gonna wrap the apples. Probably just a pear, sunrise.
They have sushi and steak and seafood. I'm not sure if I'm missing anything else, but we did choose the French one, so we went yesterday. It was funny that for the first when we came in, they didn't let us in since there is a dress code and we have to wear a long pants, which we didn't know, and Sergey only had like a sports pants with him. We didn't pass the face control first. They said that we don't dressed up properly. So Sergey put his best shirt on. Let's see if we're gonna make it. We are not one of those people who like to dress up, make up. We are on a vacation mood when we're on the ship, so we just want to feel laid back, spend more time in a bikini, and yeah, we were not ready, but finally they did let us in and we had that experience. Yes, it was cool, but to pay extra, I don't know if it's really worth it, since with the regular package you already have so many things you can choose from. Good morning, my friends. Let's go with me to the gym to check it out. And when we've been talking at home about this cruise, my husband said that it's gonna be a great idea to keep the routine and not just like lay and eat the whole day, but actually do something good for yourself. And going to the gym is actually one of the greatest way to put all those calories in the right places. So let's go. We have a lot of cardio machines. Of course, who wouldn't like to do some cardio with a view like this? Really functional training. Small section with the weights. Another cool feature is, of course, the art. You walk around the ship and there is so many beautiful artwork presented and you just enjoying it. Especially about this ship, I really enjoy the design and architecture decisions. I'm just going and taking pictures with my phone. What I have in mind, when they've been building this ship, it feels like they didn't thought about the cost. They just wanted to create a beautiful masterpiece, let's put it this way.